Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic design thinking in digital banking. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in digital banking, fintech industry, banks, and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, friend, we have to understand that what is basically design thinking. Friend, in general way, basically design thinking means that there are lots of requirements of a user. There are lots thousands of users which are using the banking mobile apps, internet banking, ATMs, etc. So basically we have to understand that what are the needs of the customer, how we can enhance the customer experience, and how we can basically produce different efficient products which basically not only produce a good experience for the customer and also produce good revenue as well. So basically, friend, design thinking is a problem solving and innovation approach that emphasizes empathy, creativity, and collaboration to create solutions that are user centric. In the context of digital banking, design thinking plays a crucial role in developing products, services, and experiences that meet the needs and expectations of users. So today we shall discuss in detail. First, we shall discuss about the key principles of design thinking. First is the empathy. Friend, empathy means that understanding the needs, challenges, and emotions of user is very fundamental. That need we must have to understand what are the problems basically users are facing. So design thinking encourage teams to empathize with users to gain insights into their experiences, behaviors, and preferences. Then iterative process means design thinking is an iterative and cyclical process, means that it will iterate, it will repeat itself, that involves prototyping, testing, and refining solutions based on the user feedback. That means basically once you develop something, you will get the feedback from customer, and then we will approve it, and then we enhance the things, and again we get the feedback. So this allows for continuous improvement and adaptation, and through this iterative process, at some point we will reach which is acceptable for the customer. Then collaboration means cross-functional collaboration is essential. Design thinking encourage multidisciplinary teams including designers, developers, business analysts, and end users to work together throughout the design process. Then human-centered approach means placing the human perspective at the center of the design process, ensure that solutions are tailored to users' actual needs and behaviors rather than assumptions or preconceived notions. Means, friend, for example, let me give an example here. For example, the password length should not be more than 6 character, for example. Why? Because obviously a human being can remember 5 to 6 character of a password, but if a password length is 10 character or 11 character, so it is nearly impossible for a human being to remember the password. So password length should be not be more than 5 to 6 character. Let me this is just an example here. Then creativity means encouraging a creative thinking helps generate innovative ideas. Design thinking involves brainstorming, ideation, and the exploration of unconventional solutions to address user problems. So we try to innovate the things, we try to create the things so that the customer will have more innovation, customer will be having more seamless experience. Then the stages of design thinking in digital banking. First one is the empathize. Understand the needs, motivations, and pain points of digital banking users. This stage involves conducting user interviews, surveys, and observations to gather insights. Then define means synthesize the gathered information to define the specific problems or opportunities, develop user personas, user journeys maps, and problem statements to guide the design process. Then ideate means generate a wide range of creative ideas to address the defined problems. This stage involves brainstorming sessions, ideation workshops, and the exploration of various problem potential solutions. Here, friend, ideate is a very important factor, means that people are sitting in a conference room, they are giving ideas and try to find out a better solution here. Then prototype means create a low fidelity prototypes or mock-ups of the potential solution. Prototypes can be in the form of wireframes, interactive models, or even simple sketches that allow for quick testing and iteration. Means generally what we do that once we receive an idea, we make the wireframe. Wireframe is basically simply a basically you can think of this as just simple sketch of the application. It is not a application, actual application, it is just a sketching. You can sketch it on the paper, or you can use any software as well to make the prototype, and just try to evolve your idea. Then test means gather feedback on the prototypes by testing them with real users. This stage involves usability testing, observing user interactions, and collecting data to assess the effectiveness of the proposed solutions here as well. Then iterate means based on the feedback received during testing, refine and iterate on the solutions. This may involve going back to earlier stages in the process to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Here friend, with the iteration, idea will be getting enhanced, idea will be getting more feedback, and with the passage of time it will become mature and acceptable for the user as well. Then application of design thinking in digital banking. User-centric digital products means friend, the design thinking helps in creating digital banking platforms, like for example mobile applications, online services, online banking, that are intuitive, user friendly, and aligned with users needs and preferences. Enhanced customer experience means by focusing on empathy and understanding user journeys, design thinking enables the development of a seamless and enjoyable customer experience across various digital touchpoints. Innovative features and services means through ideation and creative problem solving, design thinking encourages the development of innovative features and services that go beyond traditional banking offerings. Accessibility and inclusion. Design thinking emphasizes inclusivity, ensuring that digital banking solutions are accessible to users of all abilities and backgrounds. This involves considering diverse user needs and preferences. Then agile development means that this iterative nature of design thinking aligns well with agile development methodologies, allowing for flexibility and responsiveness to changing user requirements and market dynamics as well. Then risk mitigation means by involving end users early in the design process, design thinking helps identify and address potential issues and concerns, reducing the risk of developing products that may not resonate with users as well.